In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that you will have to find the Forex asset you want to trade. So if you can't find the currency pair or Forex at all inside your MetaTrader 5, it means that your broker may not support it. Now, currently, I'm signed into MetaQuote's demo, which does support Forex, as you can see, but of course, some brokers don't. So if you can't find it the way I'm going to show you right now, it means you're going to have to switch the broker and then you'll be able to find it. You can just go ahead and Google to see which brokers support it, and you can do it that way. So, of course, whenever you switch the broker, sign in using your account inside MetaTrader 5 with that broker, and you'll be able to find it. So, to check, you want to go to up top left, click on this icon, which is a dollar sign, to open the symbols, and then from here, as you can see, you should be able to find Forex. If you extend this or click on it, it's going to show all the Forex. I have a bunch of different ones in here. You could go and look for a specific one, for example, Euro USD. There we go. I'm going to click on it and click on show symbol. When you do this, it's going to pop on your market watch over here. Then you can right click it and click on chart window. Now it's going to open up the chart window for that specific Forex currency pair. And if you want to trade it, just click on new order up top. And then from here, you can select the type of order you want to do, either market execution. You have limit orders, stop orders, and stop limit orders. And then you can just go and set the volume, stop loss, take profit if you wanna. And from here, just click on either buy or sell. And that's essentially how to do this, okay? Now the markets are currently closed. That's why I can't actually do it. But that's essentially how you trade it. It's that simple. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.